No. What is up, guys? It is me, Jazzy, with my mom, and we actually have some packages that we're going to be opening today, and we're really excited.
We are going to open it. Actually, let's open the big one first. It says wrap tool. I wonder what it is.
It's a box.
I could smell it. It's acrylic. That means that the stuff must have fell.
How hard you
no. I read on the reviews that everybody else's stuff was spilt too. So that's really... Hold on. Okay, so look, here's some nail tips. I guess there's like 500 nail tips, if you guys can see.
Yeah, something did spill. Look at that. It's all. This is the
wow,
glue.
this is supposed to be the powder.
No, none of that spilled. It was.
Hold on, let's look in here.
Oh yeah, it's a dip.
Okay, that's
this
good.
This is the glue.
This is powder.
Right, this is the glue for your nails.
This is... Yes.
This is a bit
nail
more
glue.
powder.
You guys, this was $21, okay? You have a buffer, you have some more nail glue.
And then we have the powder for the nail.
All these paint brushes, okay?
To dip.
It came with three acrylic powders.
And 3 glues. And a lot of glues now. And then
this is something. I'll look at it, but some tool, something for the nails. Here's another
maybe to dig
another
in.
buffer. You got jewels.
Ooh. Oh,
the toe separators.
Or your nail separator.
A brush. It even comes with a glass.
What is this?
For your your liquid.
Yeah.
These are this is like the oil I think that you put around your nails after you're done with the nails, and then you tell them to go wash it. Some more jewels. Oh, these are beads actually. These are beads.
This is to, whenever
these are the jewels.
Whenever they snap the nail. I love that thing.
No, because we already said this. This is the thing that you cut down the nails. Came with this. $21, okay? Just $20 for all this. Another nail file.
And then this is for if you want to do the beads, just put something on there and then
the bead placer, like the diamond to get it and place it, or to your designer tool.
More glitter.
Ooh, these are little glitter things. Ooh, there's a lot glitter. Of them.
Yeah, this is maybe that's one.
These are like more like glitter chips. Those are 12 of them. These are like actual glitter powder.
Here's the water, the liquid for the corner.
Yes. So this is the acrylic liquid.
I think this is like not nail polish, but.
Oh, actually, this is the other acrylic powder, just plain colors. Dude, $21. Okay. Here are some more tools. So it came with 3 tools total for designing. Awesome.
That's what we have in there.
Is, let me see. Hold on, let me try. I'm trying to show you guys. This is everything. All these nails, all this acrylic powder.
It's like
all this glitter. This is everything for $21. A nail kit from Amazon, guys. $21.
3 of these.
I think this is very cool, very worth it. Totally worth it if it's your first time. If it's your first time getting all set up to try and do nails for a starter kit, totally worth it. I don't know how good the product is, but we will be trying it out. I am excited. The only thing is these brushes. I don't know, like I think I would want like a bigger acrylic brush, but I mean we're still gonna try. Even if the stuff sucks. Oh, this is the things that you put on your nails, like if you just want to make your own tip for shaping purposes. So you got a lot of these. Even if the acrylic powder or, you know, the liquid, even if it's not a great quality, I think it is fabulous for still $21. I mean, you can't go wrong. Even these glitters, no matter if they're small or not, I mean, why wouldn't they work? It's going to work. $21. I can't wait to try to use it and review it. Here goes my nail journey, and I cannot wait to try these things and let you guys know how everything turned out. I mean, $21. $21. Can you guys believe this? $21, guys. I mean, it's worth the money for $21. I mean, we spend $21 on freaking McDonald's fries. You know what I mean? And they're gone in 5 seconds. This is still a great starter kit.